they're picking up speed. And they're going to pick them up. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. You know what? We never even announced the lineup. All right, so we got the 03, that's Agent 003, Orion Savage. In the 87, that's Drew Nickel. In the 90 cars, James Gross, and then the 3 cars, Kirk Lindmuth. Who's going to be Eric?
Yeah,
003.
He's out front, but he's getting challenged by a nickel.
Eric, I don't think they timed these guys, so they broke out all weekend long. Might as well let them have at it.
Yeah, if you can keep rolling, roll it. It's a foo-foo for a reason. As those two are door-to-door, Savage and Nickel, making the B bracket foo-foo a little fun.
Check this out, Eric. We got 3 Dodge Neons. Is there a reason why they break out so much? I don't know. I think the other car's a Ford Escort, maybe.
Door-to-door, Savage and Nickel will go. Do-si-do, Savage on top this time.
All right.
And Savage may have actually broke out in the 003, Ryan Savage, which means the 87 of Drew Nickel is out front, and the 3 of Kirk Lindmuth in second.
I'm not exactly sure what's going on here. I thought the 003 was ahead, but maybe they did.
I'm going off the board. Nickel in first, Lundmuth in second. Gross now in third. Check that. They're now going to bump Ryan Savage back to the top in that 003 machine. Nickel in that 87 is going to try and scoot down on the low side. Lundmuth in third. Gross well behind in that 90 machine, rounding off your top 4. But again, the battle out front with these 3 machines out here. The 00 of Savage, the 87 and Nickel. Can he still hang to the line? And he will. Lundmuth in that 3 machine, that pink 3, trying to tail down that Savage. Right now, it's the Nickel up front. Drew Nickel out of Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Slowly pulling away from the Grafton, Wisconsin native of Ryan Savage. Lundmuth from Morris, Illinois, and that pink machine. 1 to go. We're on the last lap here. Will it pay to be a nickel? Can the nickel pay out big? And it will, with the 87 of Drew Nickel winning this race. 003 of Ryan Savage in second. The 3 machine of Kirk Lundmuth in third. And running it off, the number 90 of James Gross.
The 90 car sounded like he has a cold or something along with it. All right. And here's your winner in this fast car. Here he is, Drew Nickel. Drew Nickel, I got a couple questions. I'm going to draw the winning ticket. Did you have fun out here or what?
Yeah, come out every year the last 5 years or so, and always have fun. Always seem to break out when I bring a new car, so it's always part of the game. So, but I enjoy it. Enjoy everybody coming out, the family and everything, so it means a lot.
Where's your, sir?
Hawkeye Down Speedway in Cedar Rapids.
Perfect. Drew, come on over here. I got a heavy draw, winning ticket. Somebody's going to win $200. Here now.